Social media is supposed to be free, right? So why do we have to pay to get someone to watch our free content? Just why do we have to pay to play? Those were the questions on the minds of hundreds of entrepreneurs at a virtual meeting, all eager to learn ways to grow their business with social media. I was invited to talk about the difference between organic traffic versus paid traffic, and the difference between running Facebook ads versus YouTube ads. And you know what the funny thing was? I felt the same way. I too felt it was unfair for us to have to pay to convince strangers to notice our YouTube channels and to watch our free content. That's why I started a seminar addressing the question head on, explaining the limitations of organic free traffic.
Now, this is something that no social media coach or guru wants to admit to you. And that is, no matter how good your products or service is, or how creative you are, organic traffic is slow. I mean, yeah, it is free, but especially when you're starting out, it is extremely slow. It's like riding a bicycle. Even if you can get lots of likes, comments, and shares on your social media posts, it takes a while, for followers to turn into customers, if at all. I mean, you have experience with your own social media accounts, right? It is just really slow to grow. That's why people spend so much of their time on social media, creating so much content to try to get attention, trying to build a community, try to gather enough social proof to prove that they are a legitimate business. And all of that takes so much time and energy. But I mean, hey, it's free, so why not start there, right?
Just like I explained in the presentation, social media growth is slow. It's like riding a bicycle compared to a car. In our case, we are pedaling away every week, competing with millions of other users all trying to get their videos seen. If we kept at it, eventually we will get there. But it takes time to build up that first momentum, that tipping point where there's enough people waiting to see our content that the engagement becomes a snowball effect. Then I explained how running paid traffic was like driving a Ferrari. It's certainly not free because a car requires gasoline. But if you know what you're doing, you can get further with less gas, allowing you to accomplish more in a shorter amount of time. And that's the key word today: time. Ask yourself this question: how valuable is time to you? If you just started your entrepreneur or influencer journey and have enough time to take it slow and figure things out on your own, there's nothing wrong with that. We all have to start somewhere. That's why it's okay to depend on free organic traffic at first. On the other hand, if you have been trying to grow for some time now and know without a shadow of a doubt that you have great content just waiting to be found, then I suggest saving time and investing in paid ads to give you that extra boost every time you post. Just keep in mind, nothing in this world is free. Everything costs something. You are either paying with your time or your money. To make sure you fully understand the idea of organic free traffic versus paid traffic, I will give you another analogy. I think of growing your YouTube channel and videos very much like planting seeds and hoping they will grow. The 21 SEO steps that we did in our video upload worksheet is like adding fertilizer to your seeds, helping it to organically grow. The last 3 steps is paid traffic. Running ads to boost your videos and channel subscribers is like operating a greenhouse. You are basically taking the seeds that you have planted out in the wild and bringing it indoors to take special care of them. However, you do need electricity to keep the temperature just right, and you do need water to continue helping your seeds absorb nutrients in the soil, right? Well, electricity and water are unfortunately not free. That's why you have a choice. You can either leave your seeds out in the wild and hope that they grow by themselves, or you can invest a little to help them grow. If you do decide to use the greenhouse, if you do decide to use paid traffic to grow, that's what the rest of this week and the next week is for. We will end this week by showing you the quickest and easiest way to run Facebook ads to get people from Facebook to watch your videos on YouTube. And then I will show you how to buy Fiverr backlinks to boost your videos even further in the long term. Because running YouTube ads takes a bit of setting up to efficiently get results, we will start a brand new week talking about nothing but YouTube ads to help your channel grow. I hope you're getting excited at the possibility of even more eyeballs on your videos as soon as you post. Let's start the Facebook ads adventure next. I'll see you in the next episode.